I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and gathering what you need: your unlocked phone, active Gomo account, and the Esim QR or activation code. Open Settings, then tap Cellular or Mobile Data. You will add a plan. Once done, choose Add Esim or Add Cellular Plan and scan the QR or enter the code manually. You do this now because the phone must fetch carrier settings. Without that step, the line won't provision. Once the QR is scanned or the code entered, your phone contacts Gomo to download the Esim profile. This can take a minute. You will be asked to label the plan and choose whether it's your primary line for calls, texts, and data. Set preferences now so apps use the correct line. Make sure to allow carrier settings and cellular plan installation. If prompted, tap Install. Then watch for activation status in cellular settings before moving on to usage. You finish by verifying the Esim functions. Check signal bars, open a web page, send a quick text, and make a short call to ensure full service. If it doesn't work immediately, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, disable and re-enable the Esim profile, then restart the phone. These steps force a fresh network registration. If problems persist, note your IMEI and activation code and contact Gomo support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.